Robotics4EU is an European Commission-funded Horizon project, but of course, as you know very well, all the projects are reflecting the positions of national governments of European Union and of European Commission, so that we are presenting those values which are related to the societal acceptance and impact of robotics. We had a survey among 1,200 members of robotics community, including the developers, researchers, also policymakers and citizens. And interestingly, we also had meetings with more than 700 citizens on top of that. And we really have very interesting results, because if we think that robotics is actually a source of economic growth in Europe, and definitely this is one of the important goals that we should take more and more advantage of emerging technologies. But at the same time, it's clear that also different societal questions and concerns may arise. And the question is that what can we as robotics community do to make sure that robots are accepted in the society? Will it happen naturally or not? And we believe that actually there are some measures we could take. And the results of the survey was that actually citizens, for example, or the professional end users think that their voice should be listened and heard. So they think that actually robots are the future, and also AI-powered robots are the future, but definitely all the socio-economic issues are the concern. For example, the biggest concern based on the two surveys was the technological unemployment. So I think this is an important message also for the developers, that if we want that our robots are used and accepted, then we have to tackle those concerns. And of course, depending on the area, the concerns are different. For example, in healthcare, this is data protection, also ethical issues. Are we ready to go to a hospital where a nurse is, for example, not a human but a robot? So actually it is an important question. And of course, if we speak about inspection and maintenance robots, robots which are maintaining bridges, infrastructure, pipelines, then safety is one of the important topics. In agri-food, I would say that also next to the efficiency, which everyone wants to have, also the cybersecurity issues, safety issues, and additionally we have agile production as an area where we operate. So that similar concerns, but once again technological unemployment is by far the biggest concern of the citizens and of